So guys, here I have another project. So here I'll automate the site through that help of TestNG. So here I'll explore that this application. Here I try to automate that any kind of simple cases by that help of TestNG. So that previously I have showed you guys how to write the test cases by that help of Maven and Selenium Java. Now this video I'll use that like TestNG, Maven and Java. So let's start this one. This is a demo site for like testing purpose. So these kind of sites I'll definitely surely add on my blog, like how to get this kind of site and all. So guys, if you don't know, then you just click on my channel description section. There I have like given my blog link. You guys get like go and read this blog. So there are so many things in there. Now I need to create that a project, and I'll set up that whole thing. I'll convert this project to Maven project. So suppose I'm giving that project name some test ng test or something, test ng test demo, something like that. So test ng automation, this is my project name. I'm clicking finish, and then here I'll convert these two as in first of all let me create that class. So for TestNG guys, we don't need that any kind of main method, because here like Java rule should not needed, because TestNG itself is a framework. Now I need to create that my Maven project. So inside this Maven form .xml, we need to add the dependencies like Selenium dependencies, Selenium Chrome driver dependencies and TestNG dependencies. So these three dependencies we need. So for that we need to go to Maven repository or Maven repo. There we need to search that our. So guys, inside this dependencies tag we need to add the dependencies. So for that we need to go to Maven repository. So inside that Maven repository we need to add that three dependencies like Selenium Java dependencies, Selenium Chrome driver dependencies, and we need to add the TestNG dependencies. So these three dependencies we need to add there. Now once added these dependencies, we need to click on save. Now here I'll write some basic code. I'll add some basic locator, and then I'll show you how to do. So first of all, here I am like all my cases would be like this kind of format: public and then void then that method name. So we have branch of test ng annotations like before class, before method, at the rate test. So those annotations we need to add it here. So by that help of annotation we can group it by that help of group id and all, and also we can run these our test cases with the help of annotations. We can achieve that cross browser testing, we can achieve that parallel execution and all by that help of test ng, and also we can generate that a good report. So let me write some basic code here. So here I am declaring that global variable as a driver, and I'll use this variable to different methods. So let me do this. So guys, I have done now. Here like my test ng has ready. Now I need to right click on that. So inside that test annotation, here I can run this thing to here. So now right click and run as an test ng test. So it will open that my Chrome uh, browser, and it will click that my respective element, and it will give me the result. On here it seems like this is my default test and all. So this result. Now suppose if I have a different method, so I'll copy this locator and I'll create another method like test2 or test case 2, something like that. Then it will execute that both cases, and it will generate that two report on that here. So that count should be 2. Now let's run this same code here. Now see that after like, so here I am getting that 2 report. So out of 2 cases, both have passed, and if that any cases got failed, so here that failure should be there.